If you want to show distance on Apple Maps, here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Simply go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down to the apps, click apps, and then you're gonna just try to pin down maps, right? Click maps, and from here, preferred type of travel section, you're gonna be able to select your mobility, if you're driving, walking, transit, or cycling, right? And scroll a little bit down to the directions, and you're gonna see right here in driving, you're gonna be able to see avoid tolls or highways, show and navigation compass or speed limit, or walking, same thing, right? Avoid hills or busy roads, and transit. Right here, you're gonna see prefer trips using bus, subway, commuter rail, and ferry. Right? Scroll a little bit down right here, and you're gonna be able to see the climate, weather conditions. You're gonna be able to expect that, right? And basically, you're gonna be able to, before you do anything, go to the locations and make sure that you allow locations for Google Maps, right? And you're gonna see right here spoken directions, software, volume, normal volume, or louder, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.